Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. In this video, we'll be looking at the Cambridge IGCSE ICT Paper 2 Data Manipulation, May-June 2021. I'll be looking at the first variant. So let's head down to database, okay? Task 3 database. You're going to prepare some report. Data are to be imported in the format of this. Okay? Using a stable database package, import the file J2121 atlas.csv. Okay, so let's import the file. So I'm going to open my database. Okay, create the database. Click on blank. Yep. Type on Ajiro nddb. Okay, I'm going to browse where I'm going to create this database on the folder. Going to do that. Okay, I'm going to create it here. Click on create. Going to close this. Click on external data, click on data source from file to a text file. When it's a CSV, it's a text file. When you're saving it as an Excel work, you're going to use Excel. So there's two different, you need to know the difference, okay? So click on text file, browse, Atlas, yeah? So, okay, May, June, Atlas, yeah? Open, okay? Ensure it's in delimiter. Is in comma because the CSV first row contain field name. Next. Okay, last name. So let's click on advanced. Last name is text, first name is text, athlete ID is number, nationality is text, year of birth is number, gender is text. So the athlete ID, athlete ID is, I'm going to choose, I'm going to put ID. Okay, next, finish, close. I'm going to open it because obviously they said the date of birth, that's just the year of birth. Okay, date of birth is going to be day, month. So I'm going to just adjust this a bit. Okay, import the file. So we're going to save this, save, close. Okay, so what are we importing? We're importing events. Okay, ensure you check the first row containing field name. Next. Okay, say date of birth, day, month, year. Okay, and there's some decimal points. Okay, next, click on advanced. Okay, so we have the event ID, text, location, text, country text, date, day, month, yeah, swim number, bike number, run number, water temperature number, air temperature. Okay, now the wet suit is going to be displayed as a boolean. So we're going to change it to yes or no. The rest are text. Okay, I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to choose. So what are we choosing? Event ID. Okay, so that's done. Next, finish, close. I'm going to open it. Okay. This. Okay, I'm just going to save this, save home, switch to design view, wet. Okay, I'm going to click on lookup rather, and change this from checkbox to text box. I'm going to save it. Okay. So we're going to import the file, save, close, click on external data, import it, result, next, check first row containing field names. Okay. Okay. Text, number, the swim, okay, date and time, T1 date and time, okay, T2 to run, outcome is text, position is number, okay, total time, okay, okay, do not set a primary key, so no primary key, so okay, next, okay, close. All right. I am going to save. Now place your evidence document screenshot showing the power key fields and data type using all three tables. Now before we do that, let's work on this, right? Remember, this is the format it needs to be. So for swim, I'm just going to switch here to design view. Now for swim, it needs to be in this format. Copy. Now obviously if we scroll back, we'll see this is what it is, but we don't need it like this. So we're going to paste this for T1 as well. Just want to be sure. T1, yeah. T1 the same thing. Bike the same thing. T2 the same thing. Run the same thing. Total time the same thing. We're going to save, switch this view to data sheet view. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we have swim, T1 bike, T2, and total time. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. We're going to save. We're switching this to design view currently because obviously we have to take place an evidence document screenshot showing primary keys field names and data type used in all three tables. Okay, so we're just going to take each of them. Currently I'm going to start with the first one, which is athletics. Okay, I'm going to search for the snipping tool, new. I'm just going to cancel this. So yeah, just going to take them each one, so there's no confusion there. And this is going to go straight down to evidence 4. So I'm going to open my evidence document. Okay, close, event. Okay, and finally the result. Okay, so now if we go through this, you see that there's athletic ID, there's event ID, there's no ID right here. So we're going to save this. Okay, so this is create one-to-many relationship as links between these. So let's create relationship. I'm going to close this. Click on database tools, relationship between all the three tables. Add selected tables. Athlete ID and the athlete ID in the result table. Okay. Clicks. Table. Okay. Create. What again? Event ID in the event table. So we have event ID. Okay. In the event table and event ID in the result table. Create. Okay, so this is going to be here. Okay. Place your evidence document showing the type of relationship between the three tables. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is here, sorry, I'm going to take a snip on this. This is going to be what? Evidence 5. And for this as well. Nope. Yeah. New. Okay. I'm going to save it, close it. Now if you open here, you see that these are the results for this particular athlete. And if you click on the event, you're going to see the athlete's IDs as well. Okay, so all right, enter the following details as a new record in the athlete's table. Okay, new record. Right here, I'm going to click here. Okay, I'm just going to do this. We have Lee, copy. We have Sophia, copy. Athlete's ID, copy. Nationality, copy. Copy. And Sophia is a female name. It is a female name. If you have issues, if you have doubts that Sophia is not female name, put it in the comment section. Okay, just kidding. Come on, just kidding. All right. Okay. So yes, we're done with this. Okay, and you can see that Sophia already has a lot of things waiting for her. Right. Now in the result table, locate the record with the athlete ID and event ID. And we're going to amend these details as follows. So let's in the result table, so we're going to save this, close result table, locate the, we're going to locate the Alec ID, comma, copy, one five, athlete ID, sorry, not yes, athlete ID with an event ID. So find next. Yes, I think yeah, 1531. Now it has to be the same. MX321085. Okay, so that's 64 records. So what are we amending? Swim has to be this. Copy. 64 records. T1, position, one. Okay, so save. We're going to close. Using field from all tables produce a tabular report. So we have to create a query, a simple query. So we have first name, that should be the outlet, first name, last name, year of birth, nationality, okay, location, outcome, position. Okay, so we have the first name, last name, year of birth, nationality, location, outcome, position. Okay, next, what's going to be the title? Unique results, copy, finish. Okay, so let's run some criteria. Obviously, we're not creating a feed, so let's run it. Location includes the term ham. Now, obviously, there's what we call a wildcard, and this simply means that when you have your asterisk, it's ending with it, and when you have your hand, it means to begin, and when you have in between, it means it includes. Okay, yeah, just gonna use red. Okay, all right, so we have location. So this is the location here. It has to include what we call ham. So anywhere we see ham, it includes it. So we're going to switch, let me just make this design view right here on location. Going to paste this, I will add the asterisk, run it. So we have 320 records. Nationality is this, Austria or New Zealand. Okay, so these are the country symbols here. So we just what this, we run it, that 8 records, outcome is complete, copy, Okay, so we're having just 30 records. So I think that's for it here in creating criteria. I think we're good to go. Okay, I'm just going to save this. Save. And I'm going to close. We're going to create a report from that particular query, and we're going to move everything. Please, it must not be grouped. Remember, they said do not group the data. This is a group data. Okay, so obviously this is the ungrouped data. Yeah. Next. What are we sorting? Sort the data into ascending order of nationality. Okay, and what else? And ascending order of position. Okay, ascending order of nationality and ascending order of position. Next, portrait orientation. Next, all right. Title here is I'm going to copy it. Copy. Switch to layout view. Now, what did they say? They said at the title at the top of the page. So it has always been a culture for me to just go to my format, make this 30, make this black, make this bold. No crime if I make it an area. I'm just gonna make it Times New Roman, Yeah, okay. So let's begin. Let's sort this. Okay, so we are done with this report here. We're done with this part. So let's sort this. Okay, we have first name. I'm just going to move this gently here. And the first one we have is first name. So let's start with then we have last name. Okay. What else? Year of birth. Okay. Year of birth. We have nationality. Location. Outcome. Okay, I think nothing is right. So I think this is okay. Yeah, it's okay. So yeah, so I've been able to do this in this order. We have the first name, last name, year of birth, nationality, location, outcome, position. Yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a good day in the office. So has your name, center number, candidate number on the report. So I'm going to switch this home to design view. Okay. We have child ID AN 017 2023. Okay, my name, center number. And if you've been watching my videos, I think by now you should just get a hang of it. So okay, just gonna make this 14. I don't think there's a crime for that. No, not at all. Just want to make it legible. Okay, going to save it, switch to print preview. Okay, just okay. Yeah, print preview. Yeah, it's fine. I don't want to push my luck, but I still feel we should move here up. This is better. Save. Going to print this as my printout tool. Copy this. It has my name, certain number, candidate name on the report. This is going to be printout tool. Switch to PDF. Going to change it. Okay, so we have this here. Alright, so we have this here. So yeah, it's fine. Okay, now we're going to create another one using field from all tables. I think this other one from what? From all tables too, okay? From all tables, produce tabular report that. Okay, so let's create the field. So we have I'm going to close, click on create query wizard, simple query. Now we're going from all tables. So we have first name. Just going to click on Atlex. First name, last name. Okay, location should be event. So location, swim. Now we have swim M. I just want to be sure that we don't have any other. Yes, so this is not what we want. I can take it back to where it is. I just need only swim. They are being specific because obviously if there's a swim M, they should add a swim M. So you have to just know the difference, okay? TI bike T2 run. Okay, event. Then we have total transition and we have position. Okay, Position is going to be here. Okay, let's see what we have. So we have first name, last name, location, swim, T1, bike, T2, okay, and position. Okay, top female, copy, open. Okay, okay, so we're going to save. Now we'll check our query to see that it's from the both tables and no queries there. Okay, yeah. Now let's run the query. Criteria position is more than 0 and 5 or less. So position is greater than 0 and less than equals to 5. Okay, so we have more than 0 and 5 or less for position. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see that it's more than 0, okay, and 5 or less. Okay, gender is female. Right click, design view. Now in this field there is no gender, so what we are going to do right now is we're just going to add in gender right from the athlete table, and we'll say the gender is female. We're going to run it. Yes, so we're going to uncheck it, and then we can run it again to see that yes, these are all females, but it's not showing. Okay, so let's create the field. I think we're done with this. Contain a new field called total transition, which is calculated at one time to add the contents of T1 and T2, and then we format this field to display as this. So obviously what we're going to do in T1 T2 is we're going to add T1 and T2 together, so we're going to add the content of T1 and T2, and we're going to format. So obviously this T1 means transition for T1 and T2, and then we're going to format it together. Okay, so invariably we could have a total transition equals to T1, because we're adding them, then T2. Okay, so you get the idea, right? So so let's put this to work. So I'm going to switch to design view, close this, click on a new field, click on the builder. I'm going to click on T1 plus T2. Okay, now I'm going to copy this total transition, copy, paste it here. Now I'm going to format it to display time as this. Obviously in exam you're not going to be doing any copying, you're going to be typing. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to run it, so we have it here. Okay, all right, so we have created this. I think we're done with the query. Yeah, so I'm going to save it, save and close. Create report wizard. We're going to move everything from top, female ability, top females toilet. Okay, next. Now they said do not group, so this is on group. Next, what are we sorting? In this, okay, sort the data into descending order of position. Descending order of position. Okay, descending. Okay, descending order of position. Next, a landscape. Okay, next, I'm just going to copy this. Copy. Yeah. Going to close this. Switch to layout view. Include only the text as a title display in a larger font size at the top of the page. Now let's sort first name. First name, last name, location, swim, okay, T1, then we have bike, T2, run, we have the okay, We have the total transition. Then we have position. Okay. All right. Just want to know. Calculate the number of database records shown in this report and place this at the end of the report, formatted as an integer. So we're going to calculate the number of database records shown in this report. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so I think I'm just going to just put this because it says fit on a single page wide. Just going to adjust this a bit. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So switch to design view. No, let's go back to the layout and let's get our report database records done. Okay. So I'm going to click on report layout design. You can just choose anyone really to do. I'm just going to calculate numbers of database records. They want the name of database records, so I could just use okay, could you swim? Calculate for it. Count the records for the swimming. How many people swimmed? And I have 39. Okay, it's fine. Has a label, numbers of competitors, copy. Going to switch to design view. Okay, layout view. Okay, have display your name, only your name, center number, candidate number in the footer so it appears in the same position on every page. Make sure no other data is displayed in the footer. Okay, so we're going to quickly switch home. Okay, so we're just going to take off everything here. Okay, and we're going to bring out labels here, your name, center number EN 017, candidate number 2023. Okay, format, centralize, black, bold. We can make this 14. There is no crime. Okay, okay, so we're done. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the database formula used. So I'm just going to do this right away. New. Nope. Okay. This will be evidence 6. Yeah, I think we're going to print our evidence document in this video as well, because obviously um, we have all this sorted out as well. Okay, so I'm going to save this and I'm going to switch it to print preview. Okay, ensure nothing is overlapping, just your name, certain number, kindly number is appearing. Okay, it's a good day in the office. Remember, it's descending order position. So I think we're done. So we're going to print this as printout 3. Copy, print to PDF, please. So this will be a printout 3. All right. Save, close. Okay. Let's print our evidence document as well. Yes, tag 6, printing the evidence document. Printout 7. Okay, so what are the things that we need adjusting? Okay, so I think we can just crop. So right here we crop. Okay. So we can adjust this. We can adjust this. We can bring this here. Okay. Okay, we can put this together. Yes. We can take this here. So we have it as 3. Yeah, so we can save, click on file, save, print, and then we can check our work. So we're going to switch this to, we're going to print. Printer 7, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have 7. Yes, we are done. I'm just going to go back a bit to see something on one of the reports we did, fit on a single page. Okay, so that's fine. So we can check the printout 7 with the evidence document to ensure that everything is clear. Okay, very, very important that they are clear. The examiners can see them very well. and you can get all the good marks. Okay, so we are officially done. Please don't just watch this, practice along with it. Okay, and don't just practice, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.